Hey, welcome back, and I'm glad you're getting ready to create with me today. I'm going to use a stamp set today called Moving Forward, and I'm kind of excited about it because it's one of our Make a Difference stamp sets, and $3 of every stamp set sold goes to the Ronald McDonald House. So it's really a great set, and I hope you take a look at it. Mine is one of the wood sets, and it's a super cute with the ship. I don't know, one of those blimpy things. And then look at this little tricycle, super cute. But I'm going to show you something with the ship. All right. So on this one, I actually did a little bit of paper piercing just to make the ship stand out a little bit more. And I also used a little sneak peek item on here, and you'll have to guess what it is. All right, so let's put it together. So we're going to start off with just a piece of 5.5 by 8.5 of Island Indigo, and you always want to give your cards a good score. And I've already put my dimensionals on here just so you wouldn't be watching me do that part, because I know it gets really boring. Let's get these off. Now, this is what you're seeing here is a little sneak peek from what's going to happen in our spring mini catalog, and I'm telling you, it is phenomenal. It is super, super exciting, great products in there, and some things that are just going to make you squeal, I know. I also used some early espresso baker's twine. You just can't live without it, and just a little green button there. And we are going to start this card by using a little bit of Island Indigo ink. I'm just going to ink that up real quick. I'm going to stamp my little boat. And then the rest of it, we're really going to be doing some paper piercing. I'm sorry, paper piecing. Not piercing, piecing. So let's get busy. Now, just to save a little bit of time, I decided to work on this beforehand. So this one is the Calypso Coral. And I just cut out the bottom. Now, this one is the same color. It's Island Indigo. But here's my thing. You know what? When you just pile that on top of your already Island Indigo, it gives it just a little bit more dimension. It raises it up a little bit, and it always just makes it look better. It just does. Really. Okay. The cute little sail. We're going to just put that on. And you notice I'm really not popping these up with dimensionals, but let me tell you, it would be super cute if you did. Okay. So to add a little punch to this card, we are going to add one of these Teensy Weensies mini brads. They're silver. It's cute. And we're going to add it right about there. Let me grab my paper piercer. There's the piercing. We're going to put that right in the center. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Am I all the way over here and you can't see me? Oh, good grief. All right, there we go. Isn't that fun? All right, so let's move this to the side. And before we put this together, we're going to take this piece and I'm going to just kind of shimmy it right underneath, about right there. Oh, here we go. Let's get up here. Good grief, you haven't been able to see a thing I'm doing. And then this piece, okay, so I used my dotted ribbon punch, great punch, but let's see how many humps we need. We don't need many. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 8 humps. All right. So, okay, see that half hump? I don't like half humps. You need a full hump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 full humps. And then we're going to put a little adhesive on that guy. And we're going to stick that right underneath there. Now, I just want to see the little humps. I don't want to see anything else. Yep, nothing else. Do that. All right, so this one, we need some dimensional. All right, let's move that over. And when we put this one on, you'll notice I'm coming right over about right there. And see, I have that area left, okay? Now, You'll see the measurements on the video because I don't know what they are because I forgot. But I will let you know. I do know that this is 4 1/4 by 2 with this cool hexagon thing. All right, we need to do one more thing. We need to clean off our boat stamp. We're going to clean it off really good because we're going to use the Lucky Limeade. I'll show you what we're going to do here. We're going to carefully take the pad and just kind of rub it against that thinking of you, okay? All right, let's put that over there. And I'm going to kind of get down, stamp that. Oh, perfect. I'm going to give this a little bit of a banner look. Cut your little V. All right. Now, you've seen me do this before. I just kind of roll this between my fingers. It makes the paper a little bit more pliable because you're kind of distressing the fibers. Sounds so big. It's really not. We're going to get our paper piercer again. This time we're going to use the neutral brads and we're going to grab, there it is. Oh, no, that's not it. There it is. Little teeny tiny early espresso brad. And I just curled it up like this. Took it like that, brought it like that. And get that even Steven. Put it right through there. Take my brad, put it in there, and fold it over a little bit. Alright, now all we have left is to put this onto the card. So let me show you. We're going to use it dimensional again because that just works for us. I'm going to put it right there. Now let me show you what I do. I put it down. You notice I'm covering up that other one. And then I come back. I just kind of flip this guy up. Put that there. Makes it easier. And then I give it a little bit of a hump, you know, so it has a little lift. Look. Alright, there you go. Oh, we got one more thing to do. And this card is done. How do you love that? Alright, so I have my air tool, spritzer tool guy. He really is one of my best friends. I'm going to take this. Now looky here, guys. When you're doing this, make sure that you're squirting it on your paper first. Remember, if you're way down, ugly. Come up, nice spray. Comes out like that, okay? So remember, a little high. So I'm just going to do this. Got it on my hand a little bit. No big deal. If I don't have ink on my hand throughout the day, something's wrong. There you go. Alright, that's the Moving Forward stamp set. Great set. $3 goes towards our Make a Difference to the Ronald McDonald House. And thanks for stamping with me again today. I'll see you soon.